there is a way we do that. I will say I'm going to create the items I want to plot. I'm going to create them out of this data, out of item quantity cost. I want to plot a bar chart of items, and I want the vertical axis to be the total, not single cost, the total. So I want it to be the total. Honestly, I will change it to total amount so that the name, it can make more meaning when anybody reads the bar chart. So what I'm going to do this time around, I'm going to create variables from a data frame. So I will say number one, items, item equals to df. I will access the item key. This one, item key from a data frame. Then the total, I will also access it, df. Hope you remember how to access element from dictionary. Okay, so I'm going to say df and put a total amount. Don't forget, I've changed it to total amount here. That is the key for total amount. Okay, now that I have done that, under analyze, I think the work is almost done. I'm going to create a figure. Figure equals to, I'll call PLT. PLT is from Matplotlib. I will call plot, my pure plot function, PLT dot figure. So I'm going to give it size. I will say fig size. It has a property called fig size. Well, if you don't know this, 10,5. I have low battery already. So that is the width of our bar chart. This is the height, 10,5. Then I will now call this figure dot plt figure. I will now call this plt dot bar. Then I'm going to pass the items I'm plotting. That is the items. The variable item I create here will be the horizontal axis for my bar chart, and total will be the vertical, the total value of each items in the expenditure. So total, then color. I'll say color equals to red. I'll give it color of the bars. There should be comma there, I think. Color equals to red. Then the width of the bar, let's make it 0.4. 0.4. So these are the properties of this bar function of a plot, pyplot from Matplotlib. We import pyplot as PLT, and that PLT module has a function called bar for plotting bar. You know, the other time in data type we say plt.scatter to plot scatter diagram, but this time around it is bar. It's taking the horizontal variable, the vertical variable, vertical axis variable, the color, and the width. Okay, I think I have to remove the. Let's run this and let's see whether it works. Don't forget to save. Okay, I will stop the running program, then come here. I think at this time I can stop this. I don't need this again. Then run this. Okay, item sugar 30 pack 2000, R item, then clear apple 60 30, R item, clear, then orange. Okay, let's make it another item. Maybe what do we make of it? Maybe candy 80, the cost per unit 200, R item. Alright, now I've added my item. I want to analyze it. Click analyze. All things being equal, I should have a graph. If there is no error, I'm not receiving error, but the graph is not showing because I have not called what I called plot.show. It's not going to show. And not only that, let's put plot.ylabel. Ylabel will be, what will be our ylabel? That's cost of items. Okay, plt.x label will be items purchased on horizontal axis. That is what we have there. Let's even give the graph title. plt.title will be expenditure tracker analysis. So I've added 4 functions: ylabel, xlabel, title, and this last one is very important, or else. That is why I didn't see any plot. Okay, let's stop the program from running and let's run it again. Now running this program by calling main.py, I have the program running now. So let's begin to add item and see how to plot them using pyplot. Okay, the first item I'm going to have here, let's use fruits. Orange 40 at 100, add item. Let's say apple, maybe 60 at 200, add item. Let's have mango at maybe 40 of them at 150. Let's add that time. Now that I have 3 items added to my expenditure, let's click on analyze. So this is what I have. So you can see that let's minimize this. The 3 items added were plotted. They were plotted in a bar chart, and each bar represents each item: orange, apple, and mango. You can see orange, the total value is 4,000. That's the value here. Apple appears to have the largest amount. Got the largest amount of money, 12,000, and mango 6,000. So the bar is correct. Then we have the labels, and that is what I did here. That's what I did by adding ylabel, cost of item. You see it here. Then xlabel, items purchased. That is on the horizontal axis. I have that, items purchased. Then I call the function show. That is what makes the bar to show. So that is it on expenditure tracker analysis. Now you know that this program has the capacity to do a lot of analysis on monthly basis, weekly basis, and even do simple descriptive statistics. So you can take it further from here. And if you want to learn more, I would like you to subscribe to our course at bsgptech.net/learning, the course on desktop app development. Is heavily subsidized. We have a discount price there, so I would like you to see that. You can export this figure. Let me save it in the same folder where my program is, expenditure tracker. I save it. Okay, I have one there before my demo. I save it. So such a way that you can go back, you can launch it using Paint or picture viewer or any other graphic application on your system, and you can edit or copy it to wherever you want. So that is that on GUI programming for now. So I want to stop here, and I hope to see you in one of the courses that is available at bsgptech.net/learning. So thank you for listening. See you in one of the courses.